Are you spending way too much time trying to nail the perfect texture effect for text in Photoshop? We've all been there, tweaking, adjusting, redoing, seeing if this is going to look good. This can waste hours of time that frankly sometimes you don't have. What if I could show you how to create 3 fantastic ideas quickly using a tool called Midjourney? Stick around because you're going to want to learn these tricks and put them in your toolbox. So let's go. So in Midjourney, what we want to do is we've got 3 words. It's the word beach, and we got set that up with 3 different fonts. And what we want to do is we want to try different texture images to paste inside the words just to see what's going to look good. And that way we can start iterating and creating from there. Right? So the project here could be a poster or a social media post or some sort of packaging or something. But what we want to do is we want to kind of play with some ideas quickly. And Midjourney is really great at generating ideas fast. And I want to show you how to do that. So what we got to do is we use the curly bracket commands, right? Curly bracket with the words in the middle separated by commas. Tonal Blue Seashells, that's one texture. Weathered Wood Cladding, that's another, and Tropical Beach Sunset, that's the third. And then we've got these other ones, background, professional photography, and then these style points that are here in Midjourney that shows Midjourney what to do and the shape of the image and all that stuff. But another really great thing here is at the end, we've got --R4, which gives us the repeat command, because what we want to do is we want to create a lot of stuff quickly. And that way we can find something that we like and start using it rather than having to re-roll and then re-roll and then re-roll. We could just do it all at once with repeat, right? So we just hit go, and then Midjourney starts generating the images for us. And what's really great is it separates it by the idea. So in that curly bracket, we're going to look at all of the stuff that's the weathered wood cladding first, which is this kind of wood background panel. This is what I wanted, right? And do we have anything that really stands out? Sometimes it gives you weird stuff like this woman. I don't know why she's in there. That's okay. That's why we're generating a lot of stuff. I kind of like this one or maybe this one. We're going to go with this one because that looks more even, right? So we're going to download this so we can use it later. And we've downloaded it. Now let's just scroll up and let's look at the sunsets. Remember, we're going to be pasting this inside of a word, so we want to imagine the letters. So here's some sunsets. I kind of like this one, kind of like this one. I think we're going to go with this one, so let's download that. And then lastly, here are the seashells, see ones that we like. We want to just kind of a monochrome blue. This one has some good variations. Let's use this one. Oh, hold on. Let's use this one. So we have our 3 images. So let's jump back to Photoshop. And we've got our words. And then all we need to do, let me show how easy this is we just bring up our files. And we grab the image. Let's paste it in. And let's put it right here. And all we have to do is make a clipping path, and then punches it right in. And then also, if you want to move it around, you just clip on it, and then you can say, hey, I want that line right in the middle. So let's do that. Look how nice that looks, right? Let's get another one. Let's get the seashells, and let's do the same thing. Let's put this one on the bottom. Same thing, Command-Shift-G pastes it right in. And then we can move it around a little bit so we find the one that we really like, how it looks the best. And then let's get the last image, which is, let's get the last image, which is the sunset. Let's paste that right there. Command-Shift-G, paste it right in. And then we can use our tool here to move it around. And then now we've got 3 different fonts with 3 different background textures that we could kind of play around with. Which one do you like the best, right? It really depends on the purpose, but you can see how easy that is, right? And so you can create any texture, anything you want in Midjourney, and you could just jam it in real quick with just using a clipping path. So anyway, that's how you can use it real quickly using Midjourney and Photoshop. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you like, we have a whole community and a newsletter set up for Midjourney Experience. In the description, just click the link. We'd love to see you there. Thanks for watching. See you.